What if I told you that your mind is the only thing standing between you and the success you've always dreamed of? Just one simple shift in your thinking can make you unstoppable. Sounds unbelievable? Well, stay with me because today I'm going to show you exactly how to reprogram your mind for success. Let me start with a story. There was a man who was rejected by over 1,000 investors. He was told no so many times that most people would have given up, but he didn't. His name? Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, and today he's one of the richest men in the world. The difference? His mindset. Success isn't just about talent, luck, or even hard work. It's about mindset. Your mind is like a computer, and right now it might be running on outdated software filled with self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. But the good news? You can reprogram it. As Elon Musk says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. That's exactly what we're talking about today, rewiring your brain to push past the odds and win. Key point 1. Identify and replace limiting beliefs. Every time you say, "I can't," ask yourself why. Replace that thought with, "I can if." Steve Jobs said it best, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." So, start by identifying those thoughts holding you back and flip them into opportunities. Key point 2. Visualize your success. Daily. Olympic athletes don't just train physically, they train their minds by visualizing victory. Picture your success every day. Close your eyes and see it happening. Muhammad Ali famously said, "I am the greatest. I said that even before I knew I was." That's the power of visualization. Key point 3. Surround yourself with success. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're around negative people, you'll absorb their energy. Instead, seek out mentors, successful friends, or even motivational videos that inspire you. Remember what Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Key point 4. Take action. Every single day, success is built on consistent, daily action. Small steps compound into big results. As Tony Robbins puts it, the path to success is to take massive, determined action. Start small, but start today. Key point 5. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Every failure is a step forward. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. His mindset? "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Shift your perspective on failure, and you'll unlock your true potential. Pause and think about this. What's one limiting belief you can challenge today? If you've ever felt like you're not enough, drop a comment below. Let's reprogram that mindset together. If this video gave you even one powerful thought, it's time to act. Hit that subscribe button like it owes you success and smash the bell icon like your future depends on it, because it does. Next week, I'm diving into the 3 most powerful morning habits of successful people. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's end with this powerful thought from Winston Churchill. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This is Rise or Die. Reprogram your mind and let's rise together. See you in the next video.